If I had to describe Arch in one word, I would say it's satisfaction. We work as a team and we put all of our effort to give successful results to the company and for the benefit of the company, and that to me is very satisfying. My name is Lucy. I have been working as an HR intern. My role here at Arch has basically been supporting and assisting the headquarters HR team with various projects. Arch has impacted my career in such a big way. I started here at Arch with no HR background and no HR experience. It is amazing how much you can learn from just putting yourself out there and start gaining knowledge on your field. There's a lot of opportunity, and Arch has helped me grow professionally. I would recommend my friends and family and also students to apply to Arch and work for Arch because we have a very unique culture. Everyone is super friendly, everyone is highly motivated and very passionate about what we do here at Arch. Arch is an employer of choice because it has so many opportunities for people out there. You know, we believe in career development, we believe in motivating employees, and anyone would love working here. It is an amazing company to work for.